Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, you ever had a pair of these that were in pretty good shape still, except for that. I don't know if these were something my mom brought in from her place or something I got free at a garage sale. Anyhow, they are, says American, ash American. That's, at least the wood is ash. I don't know about the rest of it. The bolt is Taiwan. It doesn't say anything else, so it's probably made in China. Anyway, it's still a pretty decent set of cutters, and they're the ones my mom actually likes to use. I need to sharpen them up a little bit here. But regardless, we have that problem. So, my fix, you might be able to pull this off and pull everything apart and figure out how to make this bite on there again, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to stick that on there, and I am going to drill a hole right through everything. I am hoping this isn't so hardened that it's not going to, but we'll see together. This is getting off center from where I want to be, so I'm gonna punch it. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of that there to maybe help out a little bit. I'm going to grind that off, and when I'm at it, I'm going to sharpen it. So look away if you don't like sharpening with one of these. Alright, now let's find a bolt that will go through there, hopefully. So I got a 7/16 bolt. I'm going to stick through there. Maybe. Went through this side pretty well. There we go. And it's just barely sticking out on the other side. Actually, I can get some more here. So, use the improper tool for the right purpose. Alright, let's see if I can get a washer and a lock washer and a nut on here. I think I should be able to. Now, I have no idea if this stuff is gonna hold up against moisture. You might want to, if you leave your tools outside a lot, Make sure it's stainless steel or something like that, but I'm just going with what I got in the drawer here. And there you go. Now I probably should do it to this one, but right now I'm just going to get these back on the road and cutting, and if I have a problem later on down the road, I got a good video I can watch to fix that one. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.